Hello everyone, I'm Jim here from ASAP Home Inspections and Environmental Testing. I also happen to be the owner of ASAP High Def Films and Photos with Jim Van Loosen. Today we're going to make a small short little video. It's just an instructional video, and it is how to book online using our ASAP Home Inspections and Inspection Support Network very simple online booking system. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by heading off to my website at asaphi.ca, and inside that website you're going to see schedule an inspection. So once we see that, we're going to just click schedule an inspection. It will automatically take you to the schedule an inspection page, and you have your choice. You can click here, book online, or you can click the certified master inspector logo. Both will take you to the same page. So first you have to decide, am I the buyer or am I a real estate professional? Or am I a current homeowner? So if you're the real estate professional, you're going to click real estate professional. If you're the buyer, you're going to click buyer. And obviously, if you're the homeowner looking to have a pre-list inspection or just an inspection on an existing property, then you would choose this. For this particular circumstance, let's just choose buyer. It is really this simple. So who is the inspection for? So let's say it's for me, and you're just going to fill out this form using your name, email, etc. You can see this is very simple. So any of the ones with the asterisk beside it need to be filled out. You don't really need to give me your existing address, because if you're the buyer, your address is probably going to change. So any of these other forms, again with the asterisks, as you can see right here, need to be filled out. And if you only use one phone, for example, if you only have a cell phone, just use your cell phone number twice. It will not reject that. And click the next button. That's simple. So next is the inspection address. So where is the property that's going to be inspected? So it's going to be 123 your street, or whatever the name of the street is that you want to have the inspection done at. What city is it in? Well, let's going to say it's in your city. ASAP Home Inspections does cover an extremely large area in Ontario, and the postal code. So you'll notice that because I'm typing in the postal code, it's going to automatically pick this up. Well, when you use a correct address, it is actually going to give you a validation address. If it is the correct address there, just click yes. In my case, because I'm using a fictional street and city, it's not going to pick that up. So just click next or yes, and then we'll give you the next. So next is we want to find out who is your real estate professional. The reason we need this information is quite simple. We want to be able to text and send messages to your real estate agent to remind them of the inspection date, what time you selected, etc., so that if there is an issue, they can contact us or we can contact them. So let's just use one that I already know I have in my system. So once you start typing it in, the person's name may show up if they've used our system since the time that we have used the Inspection Support Network. If they haven't, that's okay. You can still just add the information. So let's use Christine Denty, who has used my services before. You can see that her email is also going to show up here for me. And click next. So each of these questions is going to help to produce the proper pricing for your particular inspection. Just as a side note though, this is usually very accurate, but if it seems really out of whack, give us a call and we can adjust things accordingly if something has happened. So let's just say we're doing a standard 1,500 foot inspection. We want to know if the property is occupied, because that tells us if there's a potential for the clients to be home, or if it's going to be an empty inspection, which is going to make it a little bit faster to do the inspection in some cases. Are the utilities on? That's a very important question for us, because we obviously cannot do inspections without the utilities. We need to test the water, we need to test the electricity, and anything that runs on fuels such as oil or gas. Are you going to be present during the inspection? That's a very important thing. We want to be able to educate you during the process of the inspection, so we prefer if you are present for the inspection. and then just click next once you've selected yours there. So what do you want? Well, it depends on what type of inspection you're going to do. Facebook videos is for home inspectors. Actually, that doesn't even need to be there. A home inspection with warranties is the one that you want to select if you're selecting a typical home for your inspection. So you're going to add that to the cart and click next. So the warranties are included for free, so don't worry about that adjusting the price. So if you have a semi-detached home, click here. If not, just continue along. We want to know if you want bulk samples taken from suspect materials for asbestos. So the reason we put that in there, and we identify right up front, it's a $300 on top of the regular inspection fee. We want to make sure that you're safe, and one of the ways that we can do that is by testing any potential asbestos substances that are found within the home during the inspection rather than calling me back to come and do it again. So we know that we are 0 to 2,000 square feet because we selected a 1,500 square foot house. If there's an additional kitchen, put that on. Any well and septic, it adjusts the price in small amounts, not huge amounts. And let me know how you're going to pay. So let's select Visa and continue on. So now you get to select your date. So your preferred date, say it's January the 20th. You can have a selection of one of these two times. Let's select the 9 a.m. appointment just to make things simple. And that's it. So now you're going to come to this where it's just going to be an overview. If everything is correct, simply select Schedule Now. And I get an email automatically, as you can hear. And that's it. So it was really that simple to book your inspection online. Within minutes of receiving, myself receiving the schedule and inspection notice, you will receive a link to sign your agreement online. Makes it super simple. So make sure you read it and sign it prior to the inspection, although we typically do tend to re-explain the agreement once we get to the inspection. We hope to see you at your inspection, and don't forget, we give away all of our warranties for free. That includes our Platinum 5-year roof warranty, Sewer Guard warranty, Mold Safe warranty, 100-day inspection warranty, 200% money back, and there's probably some others that I'm leaving out there, but just remember, all of our, we include also thermal imaging, which is a very important technology in today's home inspection world. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you soon.